guys, welcome back to Outre's YouTube channel. It's your girl at _CrownedK, and I'm back with another try on wigs with me video. And guys, for today's wigs, I'll be trying on Outre's Colorbomb series, and I have 3 of the styles. The first style is Zoey, and I have her in the color Lavender Violet. Guys, this series has a lot of like nice vibrant colors, as well as you can get like a 1 or a 1B if you don't want the color. But yeah guys, this wig has balayage highlights. I know I didn't pronounce that right, but yeah, and it's heat resistant fiber. It's safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It has soft Swiss lace, color tinted roots. It has natural baby hairs, and it's face framing. Guys, it has 3 combs, 2 at the top, 1 in the back, plus adjustable straps. It is a breathable cap, and what I like on these units are the parting space. Like the parting space is like really long, and I love that. And to do my wig, guys, I'm going to just like trim the baby hairs to my liking. You can have them long or short, but I'm just trimming them to my liking, and then I'm just using some got2b gel, and I'm just making my baby hairs, and that's what I'll do for all of the wigs. And I'm using my powder, and I'm putting that on the lace, and that's what I'll do for the install for all of these wigs. And guys, this color is so pretty. I felt like a unicorn. I really like this color. The hair is like really soft, and I love how they did the highlights. Like the highlights look good, and I love how the front frames my face and the mix of the colors in the back. Guys, for the second unit, I'll be trying the Delphine style. I hope I said that right. And I'm using the color Coral Blonde, which I think is so nice. I love this color. It has like blonde and coral, and I think like some peachy tones to it. That's what the back looks like, and I feel like they did a really good color on the highlights. They have everything like blended so seamlessly. And guys, for the third wig, this will be the style Tawny, and I have it in the color Sunburst Gold. This color is so bomb, guys. It's really pretty, and I am loving it. Like guys, let me know out of all the 3 units like which style you liked better. I really love the crimps on this unit. Let me know which style you like better down below. Be sure to like grab you one of these units, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Outre's YouTube channel. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in another one. Bye.